My name is Urbanundu Regu. I am born and brought up in a small beautiful island called Diva. I trouble my mother a lot to learn about Goan cooking. She has been my greatest inspiration. Being one of 7 siblings, I came from a large family, and it was always a privilege for me when my mother used to call me to taste any of her preparation in the kitchen. I was a very good football player. I never thought I'll become a chef in my life because I never put salt in the boiling water also in the kitchen, my mother's kitchen. I never know how cooking was done even. But I used to play from morning till evening football only. While practicing, I got very bad hit on my left ear ball. Then doctor has advised me not to play any more football because you already damaged your eardrum. So that's why I have to stop football. Suddenly the advertise came after 1 week on the newspaper Times of India. My brother forced me, you go to join this apprentice course so that I can go to the ship or Gulf countries. And when I applied it, I got it. First day when we joined, we were about 10 people. First day we were 10, next day become only 4. 6 of disappear. They have given us first day only one sack bag of shrimps to clean it. The next day they have given us potatoes to peel it and onions, sacks of potatoes, onions to peel it. Once they saw me that I am a very hardworking and all, they thought to give more interest on us apprenticeship. So then they transferred me to Fort Aguada in 1974 when we have opened the Fort Aguada. In the Fort Aguada, when we opened, I played a very important role for commissioning the managing the kitchen with the top executive chef and other chefs. And I really given more interest in our Goan and Portuguese cuisine. And I opened even one restaurant called Afonso de Albuquerque Goan restaurant. At present it's called a Morisco in Fort Aguada. From there, they transferred me in 1976 to Muscat. I was looking after the Al Gubra guest house. 1976 I was transferred to Muscat. Prime Minister of Muscat, he took me to Orlando, Florida to look after his guest house. So I worked there about four months. And then they brought me back to Muscat again. From Muscat to Bombay Taj. From Bombay Taj again back to Fort Aguada 1984. I was in Fort Aguada. Then 4-5 years I was in Fort Aguada. 1990 I was transferred down to Taj Holiday Village as an executive chef. Till my retirement I was in Fort Aguada, Taj Holiday Village as a consultant chef now. Lot of dishes I have created my own. My best dish, you can say, camarão com cilantro, Portuguese word I use. Prawns in coriander is so famous in our Taj Holiday Village. Every guest, when they come, they will eat the same dish. They will ask. Prawns in coriander is very common. That's I've created my own dish, own recipe. That is one. Fish roller, then fillet fish or pomfret, or fish, any tamus or red snapper, any. Then I roll with the prawns, mince, and then bake it. And that's my own dishes, fish rollad. Then, of course, there are many dishes which I've created, like prawns, fish, then saladidalina. Saladidalina I created with my wife's name. It's very common, it's a bean sprout salad. Then, of course, bindi bardes, bindi sol, then mushroom mardol, vegetarian dishes. Lot of dishes I've created my own, and lot of guests, they like it. Simple dish I've created like balchan cheese naan. The North Indian people, they put keema naan, paneer cheese naan. So why should I not make naan, I said, roti or naan something. So I put the balcha masala, vegetarian, and cheese mix. And I make naan and I serve my guests. They like it so much. That's my own creation.
I have organized in many food festivals, both in India and abroad.
I had a very good opportunity to cater a lot of the top dignitaries of the world. I stay with my family with 2 sons and 1 daughter.
I never imagined that the place where I studied my career has helped me to build my legacy would cause me such pain. My son Boris, who was following in my footsteps, ended up as a martyr.
He used to always tell me, you must pass your knowledge to others. Otherwise, what is the point of we are knowing all these things and don't show to others?
With my experience of 50 years, I would like to thank my family at the Taj Group of Hotels, also called my second home, for all the love and support rendered to me during my tenure. My association with the Taj has helped me to grow both personally and professionally. What roads to my success is my hard work and support of my family. Today I am all set to share my long preserved knowledge and technique with the outside world. This is my contribution to the culinary world.
I will be very, very happy to share my knowledge where I have worked for the last 50 years in the kitchen of Taj. See you in the next episode.